If you're a creator, you know it. The daily grind of posting on social media can just eat up your time. But what if you could schedule your entire week's worth of content in just one sitting? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, using free tools you probably already have access to. Let's get your time back.
So, does this sound familiar? You wake up and that first thought is, oh, what am I going to post today? Then you're scrambling to find a photo, you're trying to write a clever caption, figure out the right hashtags, and you do it all over again the next day. It's this relentless grind that pulls you away from the work that really matters.
Okay, that hamster wheel, it stops right now. We're going to walk through, step by step, how you can automate this whole process. And the goal here is really simple. It's to shift your focus from just endlessly feeding the algorithm to actually building your community.
All right, first up, Instagram and Facebook. The best, and I really mean the best, free tool for this is Meta's own Business Suite. It's basically a unified dashboard that lets you manage both of your platforms from one single place, which is a lifesaver. As long as you've got a Facebook page linked to an Instagram professional account, you are good to go.
So once you're inside the dashboard, you're going to look for the Planner tab over on the left. This thing is awesome. It gives you this great calendar view of your entire week. From there, you just click Create to start up a new post. And here's the first key move. Make sure you select both Facebook and Instagram right at the top so you're posting to both at once. Now, this is where this tool becomes so incredibly powerful. Once you've uploaded your photo or your video, you're going to find a feature that is, and I'm not exaggerating, an absolute game changer. It's the option to customize your text for each platform separately.
So why is this such a big deal? Well, because your audiences on these platforms are different, right? You can write a shorter, punchier, hashtag-heavy caption that's perfect for Instagram, and at the exact same time, write a longer, more story-driven caption with a direct clickable link for your Facebook audience, all from the same window. It's brilliant.
Okay, so you've got the perfect posts crafted. When do you schedule them? Well, Meta takes all the guesswork out of it. It'll often suggest the active times. These are the specific times of day when your followers are most active online. You should absolutely use this data. It's like a direct line to your audience's attention. And now for the final and most satisfying step. You got to resist that urge to hit publish. Instead, you're going to click that beautiful schedule button, pick the optimal time that Meta just suggested, and boom, you're done. Your post is now in the queue, ready to go live without you having to lift another finger. Okay, let's talk TikTok. Now look, there are plenty of third-party apps out there, but honestly, the safest and easiest way to schedule your videos is directly through the TikTok website on your computer. Let me show you how. The process is super straightforward. You just log into your account on a desktop browser, click that little cloud upload icon in the top right, and then you can literally just drag and drop your edited vertical video right into the upload box. Easy. Now, before you actually schedule it, there are just a few little things to lock in. You want to write your caption, of course, add your relevant niche hashtags to help the right people find you, and, this is really important, select a cover frame for your video. And let's just pause on that for a second. The cover is the thumbnail that everyone is going to see on your profile grid. A great cover makes a fantastic first impression, and, it could be the difference between someone tapping on your video or just scrolling right on by. It is worth the extra few seconds to get it right. Okay, so your video's uploaded, your details are all filled in, there's just one final action. Find the Schedule Video switch, toggle it on, and a little calendar will pop up. Just choose your date and time, click Schedule, and you can let the TikTok algorithm do the rest. So, we've walked through the how, but now let's talk about the real why. This whole process is called content batching. It just means doing all your similar tasks in one dedicated block of time. And trust me, the payoff is absolutely enormous. Just think about it. By dedicating one focused hour on a Sunday, you can schedule all of your posts for the entire week across multiple platforms. One single focused hour for 7 days of freedom from that daily posting grind. And what do you get to do with all that time you've reclaimed? You get to focus on what actually moves the needle. You can now spend your time really engaging with your community, responding to comments and DMs, and actually building something meaningful instead of just feeding the content machine. So when you boil it all down, it's this. Scheduling your content isn't just about being more efficient, it's about freedom. It's the freedom to be more present, to be more strategic, and to be more engaged with the very audience you're working so hard to build. And so that leaves us with one last question. Once you get these hours back every single week, once you're finally free from that daily scramble, what are you going to build with your newfound time?